Guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is we are sitting in our cow farm, and because today is a very and good day because it's my brother's birthday, and so here we have come to our farm to see all my cows, and this is the first one who's gonna have a baby within few days, and they all are having their lunch right now. And this is Gear. My father wanted every one of my family to eat pure milk, so this is Gear, and you can see its ears, and of course she stands. Anyway, we shall go for the next, and this is the next cow who has a small baby too, which is, and here you can see a new baby sleeping out, and this is Belgian Blue, who's gonna come in the future as a big guy. Hello. And this is our next compartment of our farm. My father is working right now, and these guys are also having their lunch. You can see everyone having the lunch right now. And this one is one of my favorite and my family's favorite because this is the first cow which we got in pure breed, and she's also taking her lunch. So let's leave and come back. And this is a guy which we have got while starting this industry of cow farm, and this is Pavila, what we call, and these are all our cute babies of our mothers. And here everyone is looking for their lunch, and soon they will be given. And I have taken all these grasses difficultly, and these are the food which we give for every people. And this is Charu Priya from My Lady, and this is my sponsor of my father, and he's working right now. We shall see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.